Good morning. It's 10 o'clock. I'm late for work. After that snow yesterday, it got really cold last night, and now it is currently 25 degrees out. Normally on a day like today it would be like 35, 40, and then it would warm up to like 45, but not today. I don't know. Today might be a little chilly, but if it does warm up, we're gonna get that Corvette light put back on, and then we'll take the other one off so we can take it apart and have it ready for when the parts get here for that motor. Well, I think we've peaked. It's 40 degrees and it is cold. I really wanted to put that headlight back in the Corvette, but it's just bitter cold outside. It wouldn't be so bad if the sun was out. So if I'm feeling up to it, I might put that headlight in, but I'm thinking it's probably not gonna happen today. Okay, just got home from work, had a little bit of mail. This is the Samsung we were working on. The only problem is I bought the wrong battery. It still plugs in fine, it just doesn't fit in the body of the phone. So what I did was I plugged it in, got it working, transferred everything to an SD card. Now this one's ready to go back to its owner. And I'll just install the old battery when I give it back to them. I'm gonna see if I can make some bullseyes tonight. I've been trying every night. I didn't get any the last 2 nights, but I'm gonna see if I can get one tonight. Well, I just tried getting another bullseye. Didn't work. It's getting pretty late. I want to thank you guys for watching. Thanks for liking the videos. Thanks for subscribing. And I'm going to get this video edited, uploaded, and we'll see you tomorrow.